What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Batman. You already know what it is. We out here dropping buckets, boy. Yes, we back with another video, and as you see the title, we're doing an unboxing of one of the unlimited Babyliss trimmers. As I talked to you in some of my other videos, I told you that I wasn't going to be doing any cut videos due to the fact that I wanted to get wireless clippers. So I have been stacking up wireless clippers. Haven't got a chance to do any unboxings because I have been testing out clippers and, you know, using wireless ones to cut. I just got some in the mail, so I would like to show you and let you see these ones because I haven't seen them yet. We'll look at them for the first time and we'll start going through clippers that I'm stacking on the collection. Because obviously my old clippers, if I show you those, you will roast me. I haven't been using like the dopest clippers, but I happen to know how to cut hair and I do like clippers. I'm starting to like clippers even more. So we're gonna go ahead and get to this unboxing. So if you want to know like exactly what my plug is and where I'm getting like different ones from, hit me in the inbox. My social media is there. Hit me in the inbox. So we're gonna go ahead and get in this. I haven't done an unboxing in a while. It's pretty cool. And after this, I will show you all the ones that I have so far. Nice packaging. We get a little letter. Look at that later. Packaging. And here we have it. So we got plenty of protection, plenty of packaging. That's what's up. I definitely like that we're well packaged up. Listen, oh, okay, guys. Okay, let me go ahead. There we go. The white edition trimmer. Rob the original. This joint tough. The Rob the original joint. So limited edition, we're gonna pop this thing right open. And again, we're going wireless. These are the trimmers, skeleton, so that you know once you do shape ups with. Oh, it's got the gold clip on there. The gold blade on there. Oh yeah. Let's focus up. They put the plastic on there so that it doesn't turn on. So you want to go ahead and charge these before you use them. It's got the bottom gold accent. It's got the hook so you can hang them like when you're doing cuts, or well, you know. And the reason why I want to have multiples of clippers is so that when I'm using them, I don't have to you know, keep putting them on the charger over and over, so I can constantly, you know, just grab another one if it goes out of charge. So I like to take my time when I'm cutting, like when I'm cutting my hair or if I'm cutting somebody else's hair, I like to take my time. But yeah, these are fire. It's got dope color, white. I definitely wanna. I've seen a lot of people custom these, and I definitely wanna get into that. I do have some already. We're gonna get into that. We're gonna do them one by one on each video on each ones that I have. We're gonna get a few. All right, we're gonna see what else is in this. I do know what it comes with because I do have some of the others, which I'll show you in other videos. Instructions. You can always, you know, make sure you're looking at your instructions if you need it. Comes with a sticker. This is the silver one on the that was like the silver one. Silver one's pretty cool. Alright, so off the back. In the box, it comes with the. You can change the bottom to white. It's got the hook, the gold hook, but I like it. I like the gold bottom. I could probably like switch. You could probably like switch these out on another one, you know, if you want to swap colors around. Inside, you got your tools. It comes with a key. Yeah, I'm gonna just open it up. For y'all. I'll just open it up, for y'all. Comes with a screwdriver key, so that you can, you know what I'm saying, zero gap your clippers. Comes with a brush, and this is the tool right here that you use to do your zero gapping. Of course, it comes with oil and the guard protector in there. So by looking at these, these actually look pretty close. I may zero gap these. I'm gonna test these ones out. These look pretty close. They do on these limited edition ones. If I'm not mistaken, I think, I could be wrong, but I think they zero gap these for you. I think they come zero gapped, because that looks pretty close. Actually, I gotta look at my other one, because some do, but I don't know my last one. Well, we may get into it. If you want me to show you guys how to do zero gap on your clippers, I can show you guys how to do that. I've done it on my other ones, so I can show you. And then of course it comes with your charger, so your essentials that come with the Babyliss Pro clippers. Let me go ahead and see what's in this letter right here. I know I got this before from the other, and from the company I got from. Oh, they give you a little sample. Give you a little sample right there. That's what's up. And a little letter saying they inspected it. And so that's the Rob, the original Babyliss Pro trimmer. This is it right here. I will turn it on, let you guys hear what it sounds like, because I know you can still turn it on. So I think it is pre-charged anyway, but pretty quiet. Got a good sound to it. Put these things to the test. These are pretty dope though. Definitely dope. Definitely a good clipper. So we're gonna go ahead and get on to another video. We're gonna move on to the next ones. I don't know which one we're gonna review next, but yeah, this one's pretty dope. From using them, I already know they on point. They're already on point. And when I get camera angles on point for you guys, I will do some cut videos. Right now I have 360 waves. I really would like to cut my hair, but I'm woofing for 5 weeks. I'm already 5 weeks woofing. So I'm tempted to cut my hair, but I definitely want to grow it even more. So I do need to do a tape up. My next tape up, I'll try and record it. I am tempted to do another drop fade. Put it in the comments if you want me to do a drop fade. Do a drop fade, I will record it. There's no excuse. I can go ahead and just bang it out right with these and my other ones and all that stuff. You know what I mean? There's no cords. There's no wrapping the things around my head, wrapping the cords around. But yeah, that's the white limited edition one. It's pretty dope. I'll check y'all in the video. I'll check y'all in the next video. If y'all have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, comment down below what videos you want me to do, and also comment down if you have seen the trimmer skeleton of the white. If you have seen this, or if you haven't seen it, let me know if you haven't seen it, because I haven't really, I didn't know that they had the, I didn't know that they had the white and the other colors in the trimmers. I thought they just had them in the clippers, but I guess these ones just came out. But yeah, comment down. I'll check you on the next one. I appreciate y'all. It's your boy Young Batman. We out here dropping buckets. I'll check you on the next one.